Hello, everyone. Recently, I built a new open source URDF editor called URDFArchitect. So I'd like to introduce about my project. So first, I'd like to tell about the motivation of doing this. So normally we export our URDF by CAD softwares like SolidWorks. It means that you need to do the mechanical design first, then you export the URDF from the mechanical design. But actually, the URDF is a more simplified model for the robot. It don't has the much mechanical details like the real robots or the mechanical designs. So I wonder if I can build a more simplified web server based AI powered small software to quickly generate or edit URDF. So let me show about this. First, I'd like to show how to make a simplified robot. As we can see, the robot is links and joints. So we can build a robot with few joints like this, and you can edit it like this way. And also, of course, you can put accurate numbers here. Yeah. It has a little bugs with this. So like this, we have maybe 3 joints. Then it may be kind of a 3-DOF robot arm. Then we can go to the detail. So the detail part, we use cylinder first. So you can use the cylinder to become a robot arm like this way. And it's for a prototype design for the URDF. But if you finish the mechanical design, you want to upload your design, then you can use mesh. Then you can upload it and replace it with the accurate mesh files, not the cylinders. But if you just want to do some simulation like stuff, then you can use cylinders, spheres like this. Yes. So the main idea of the software is in skating you can design the transformations about the kinematics, but for details you can design the links. It has more visual and collision part. And then it's for the hardware part. For the link, it hardware means its initial, including its mass, the center of mass, and also its initial tensor. And for the joint, normally we use the limit, the velocity, effort, friction damping, this stuff, and also the amateur of the motor to describe the hardware of the joint. And for this, I have do something that we have established a lab that you can use the parameters of our current brand motors. We have Unitree's RobStride, Damiao, Incos, and High-Tech Robotics motors here. We use RobStride motors. If you choose this one, it will use its parameters. And also, if you want to know something more about this motor, you can click view this motor, and it will go to about the details of this motor. Yeah. So this is a basic idea of this software, and then you can export the URDF. When you export it, you can see we have hardware meshes, MuJoCo and URDF. And in the hardware part, I have created a BOM list for you as you have choose the motors brand and the specific model. Then you have the model type, the model ID, like this stuff in the BOM list. And also you can simulate it anywhere you like. So we have MuJoCo and URDF like this stuff. So this is a first example to show how to build a simplified robot. And another idea is we need to adjust current design. Maybe we can import a robot. So the import, now we use ZIPs to import a robot inside. So this is a Panda robot arm. So you can see this is a robot and the detail. it fully designed. But if somehow I want this link to be a little bit longer, maybe I go this. So yes, this link then can be a little bit longer. And for this way, then the base link is not correct as 0. Then we can use a cylinder to replace it, just like this. So we can see if I show the origins of this robot, you can see there's a prolonged robot arm for now. So you can edit something any way you like. Maybe you can adjust add a camera link inside, or a lidar link inside, or something else, or just make it longer or smaller and this stuff. You can use this software to do your work. And another way is, as we are in the area of AI, so we have AI assistant here. It can help you to edit your robot. You can create a new robot. You can add a sensor. You can suggest what kind of motor I'd like to use for this, so the AI will do it works. But now we are currently working with the API, so maybe the AI assistant can be used after a few weeks. So that's about my software, and it's fully open sourced, so you can see this on GitHub. And if you like this project, you can click some stars. Thank you very much.